for the orientation of the academic year 2020. Well, I would call this quarantine orientation a very special one because it is completely online. It has been more than 90 days since we all met each other. Gratefully, we are still finding our ways to interact and keep the school and the learning progressing. Let's learn to swim together during this crisis. Eventually, this epidemic too will pass. I'm Nivetha Darshan, Director of the Quest International School. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome all the new students and the parents to join hands with TQIS family. I assure you that your child is safe in our hands. TQIS is a young K-10 CBSE school. We have two feeder preschools located in Gandhinagar and Konganagar, Tirupur. Our academics follows student-centered system which gives ample opportunities for the project and discovery-based learning. We are focused to create momentous class which makes the learners experience the learning and so it becomes a memory for the learner to remember for their life. We have a balanced program which provides strong academics combined with arts and extracurricular activities which is aimed at educating the child completely. Our learning does not stop with the books. It helps them to stay connected to the real world and have a realistic view of it. We believe that learning is a cycle based on experience, analysis, action and reflection as compared to just rote delivery. The child takes an active part in their own learning. Most of their work is based on hands-on experience and research skills where the role of a teacher becomes that of a facilitator. We are committed to help the children discover themselves and excel in whatever they choose to do. The program delivery in the class will have a very practical approach. It will combine the program aimed with activities, practical experience, reading videos, discussions, group work, assignment and assessment to check their understanding and project work. Our school stands apart in infrastructure and the quality of education we deliver. Few points which makes us unique from others are our state-of-the-art classrooms, large classrooms with good ventilation and light for the collaborative learning. We understand our learners' learning style to identify and develop the areas in which a learner feels difficult and excels while learning. We encourage technology as a part of their learning. Our learning is activity-based and it focuses to develop the child's skills. We have an imported international standard artificial futsal turf to provide good sports development for the children. Our tables and chairs are carefully chosen keeping in mind about the child's prolonged sitting posture. All our chairs and tables are in ergonomic standards. We focus on all the main 9 league sports in India with compulsory sports on all days. We have less homework stress. We focus on the child's individual academic and moral growth. We have very friendly teachers and very friendly team for the child to discuss without any fear. We follow a 3-way feedback system which involves parents, teachers and the students to bring the desired change year on year. We have career and counseling session for the higher grades. Opportunity to experience different festivals and cultures throughout the year, throughout the school year. We have vigorous focus on communication and presentation skills of the child. And the list may continue for more. At this moment, I remember a very famous quote by Mother Teresa. In this life, we cannot do great things. We can only do small things with great love. In her quote, very carefully, she captures important thought about how to approach life. Teaching and learning offers us all numerous opportunities to focus on a number of small things that conclude over time to produce students that are prepared to do great things in life. As it is my responsibility to maintain and to build a supportive and collaborative spirit at our school, I believe that you and your child would feel as a part of this Quest family. I would be grateful to hear any great ideas or thoughts from you related to the child and school growth. You can send the feedback in my mail ID director@questintschool.com. I wish you a great success in this year and look forward for interacting further with you as the year progresses. Thanks a lot.